let's teach you how to electric skateboard. First of all, you have to have a wide stance so that you can brace if the board moves too fast and you don't have to just ditch the board all out together. Now you want to find a level spot so that you can lean back and forth and the board won't move. You just want to lean back and forth so you can get a feel for how you would turn. And you're going to want to look forward so you can actually get a good example of how you would be electric skateboarding. In case you were wondering which side's the front and the back, this is the back and this is the front. On your board, whichever wheel has the motor is the back. So now put your remote control on the lowest setting and barely push the throttle. So now you're moving and you're going to want to lean forwards and backwards so that you can learn how to turn. Now increase the speed a bit and remember to brace in your legs. But also remember that the brake is your friend. Use the brake as much as you want. The brake is amazing. The brake is what separates electric skateboarding from regular skateboarding, because if you're zooming down the hill, you can stop very fast, unlike a regular skateboard. So now put your board in a place that it can't move so that you can practice jumping off either side of the board. This is to make sure that if the board moves too fast for you, that you know how to jump off. The goal is to get your feet off the board as quick as you can so the board doesn't move out from under you and make you fall a certain direction. Because otherwise you'll fall on your side and it's just painful. No one wants that. So just go and just practice lifting your feet up as quickly as possible. So on the front and back of the board. So now keep increasing the speed and stay safe. If you want to watch a video about how to electric skateboard and walk your dog, click here. And if this video helped you in any way learn how to electric skateboard, please subscribe and like the video too so that more people can get this information.